My name is Maddie Torres and I work for the Children's Museum of Houston. Today I will be reading you a story sponsored by Houston's Pi Beta Phi. Today's story is called Go Away, Big Green Monster by Ed Emberley. Big Green Monster has two big yellow eyes, a long bluish greenish nose, a big red mouth with sharp white teeth, two little squiggly ears, scraggly purple hair, and a big scary green face. But you don't scare me, so go away, scraggly purple hair. Go away, two little squiggly ears. Go away, long bluish greenish nose. Go away, big green face. Go away, big red mouth. Go away, sharp white teeth. Go away, two big yellow eyes. Go away, big green monster. And don't come back until I say so. The end. Thank you for joining me today for our virtual story time, brought to you by the Children's Museum of Houston and sponsored by Houston's Pi Beta Phi. We hope to see you next time.